Hi everyone, so today we're going to go ahead and talk about a mindfulness technique called the 5 senses grounding skills. So mindfulness is a practice of bringing our attention to the present moment with curiosity and without judgment. Our minds naturally wander to the past or to the future, especially during times of stress and when we're feeling overwhelmed. And so mindfulness helps us gently bring ourselves back and reconnect with what's happening in the here and now. One way of practicing mindfulness is through the 5 senses grounding skill. This exercise uses the senses to help anchor our attention to the present moment. There isn't no right or wrong way of doing things, it's just simply noticing what you notice. And so if any step does not feel comfortable or accessible to you, by all means you're welcome to adapt to it or skip it. Okay, so let's begin. If you're comfortable, begin by taking one slow breath in and then slowly breathing through your mouth, okay? Perfect. Okay. So now I want you to go ahead and notice 5 things that you can see. Whether you're on campus, in your dorm room, take your time to just simply observe colors, shapes, movement, or objects that catch your attention. Okay, next, I want you to go ahead and notice 4 things that you can feel. This might be the feeling of your feet on the floor, your clothes against your skin, support of the chair or whatever surface you're on. I mean, you can also think about like the temperature in the air or in the room, or the sensation of you just breathing in and out, right? Then go ahead and notice 3 things that you can hear. This could be sounds from nearby or even far away, or perhaps just the quietness of where you are. Simply just notice whatever is present for you without any needing to change it or judge it. Now, I want you to go ahead and notice 2 things that you can smell. If you don't notice any scents, that's completely okay. You can just simply notice the absence of them, right? Finally, go ahead and notice 1 thing that you could taste. Perhaps it's the lunch or the dinner you had prior to seeing this video, or a sip of water. Just whatever you feel and have access to. Okay, and when you're ready, let's go ahead and take another slow breath in and then release through your mouth. Grounding exercises like this can be helpful when you're feeling stressed, distracted, anxious, or even overwhelmed, because they encourage you to reconnect with the present moment. And like any skill, mindfulness becomes more familiar with practice, so feel free to use this exercise whenever you feel like it's going to help you support you. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and feel free to head over to our website and check out the Introduction to Mindfulness class, or just call our front desk and they can tell you more about it. Eat 'em up, Bobcats!